बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एजुकेशनल टिप्स। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब बच्चे बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। तो बच्चों, आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ लेसन है जी, वो हमारे पास है। द लेसन इज 5.3 फ्लोटिंग एंड सिंक। फ्लोटिंग एंड सिंक के टॉपिक के अंदर आ जाएं तो इसका आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस एक्सरसाइज दैट इज ऑन पेज नंबर 68 and open your page number 68. On page number 68 we have a question number 1 that is complete the sentences. Part number 1 is the first sentence is an object will float. Float का मतलब होता है तैरना, swim, ठीक है। Float if the mass of an object is less than or equal to the mass of the water displaced by upthrust. यानी कि अगर हमारे पास if the mass of object is less than or equal to the mass of water, then the object will float and or an object will sink. Sink मतलब डूब जाना, ठीक है। Sink if the mass of the object is greater than the mass of water displaced by upthrust. Sink कब होगा? When the mass of water is when the mass of object is greater than the mass of water. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 है complete the diagram with labeled arrows to show why the ping pong ball float with the tennis ball sink towards the बॉटम ऑफ द टैंक बिकॉज इसके ऊपर देखिए ये अब थ्रस्ट है और इसके ऊपर ग्रेविटी से सप्लाई हो रही है। इसका वेट कम है, इसका मास कम है एज कम्पेयर टू दैट ऑफ वाटर। एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दिस बॉल इट हैज अ ग्रेटर मास एज कम्पेयर टू दैट ऑफ वाटर, दैट्स व्हाई इट सिंक्स, ठीक है। अच्छा, उसके बाद फिर आ जाते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट पेज के ऊपर। ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, पार्ट नंबर ए, what are the controls that depend that the independent and the dependent variable in their investigation? The control variable is the container of water. The independent variable is the number of coins they put on the raft. The dependent variable is whether the container float or sink. Now B part, why did the polystyrene raft float on the water? The mass of the raft was less than the mass of water it displaced as a result of the upthrust. Part number C, the girl put 7 coins on the raft before it sank. Why did the raft sink? The mass of the raft and coin was more than the mass of water displaced as a result of upthrust. D part पे आ जाइए। Suggest how the girls could have changed the raft and put more coins on it before it sank. The girl could make the raft wider or longer or both. Now come towards the E part. Draw a force diagram to show the raft beginning to sink. This is the diagram. This is the raft, and upthrust forces are also applying and gravity force is also applying. Now we have a challenging questions. Question number 4, part number A. Explain how filling the blast tank with water caused the submarine to sink. When the blast tank is full of water, the total mass of the submarine is more than the mass of water it displaces as a result of upthrust. Draw a section of the submarine like ones above, but when it is completely submerged. Submerged means when it is completely in the water, down to the water, ठीक है। Show the force involved. आपने forces भी बतानी है। This is that layer C. Submarine is completely submerged. Thrust force is applying and the gravity is also applying. अच्छा, question number 5. Find out the answer of each of the following questions. Part number A. How can the people inside a submarine breathe when the submarine is merged? It means that when the submarine is completely go under the ground, under the water, how do the people inside the submarine breathe? They take in oxygen. They have a supply of tank compressed air. How long can a submarine remain submerged? The time depends on how much food, water and compressed air the submarine has. For the sailor, usually the length of the time is 90 days. It means that mostly the maximum time is about 90 days. But it also depends upon the food they take, the stored food they take inside there. What is the longest time our submarine has remained submarine? So longest time is the longest submarine vibed which stayed submarine 111 days. So this is the today's lecture. Hope you like my lecture. If you like my lecture, please press the bell icon and like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hope so meet you in the next class. Don't forget to tell me in the comment box how is this lecture is useful to you or not. Inshallah we will meet you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.